Basically, guys, as I said, you may have seen the video where I said part one of fixing my cycle. This was supposed to be the part two, like fixing the tube in for the tire to go in. So I purchased this yesterday from a shop near our house. Yeah, now look at this. Do you think even a person who does not know how this work, do you think a thing that's supposed to hold air is going to look like this? Look, here it is sealed up, right? Then it's cracked. I didn't even drive it yesterday and this is happening to me. Now, I don't think the shop will give a refund, but this video is for showing you guys for how bad these shops are in Feni. Like, they don't even know what they're doing. They just sell fakes. See, the print is even fake. It didn't even get... I'm cooked.